Welcome to Ikigai Meditations. The aim for this mind-clearing meditation is to achieve a state of calm and clarity. Make sure that you are in a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and won't be disturbed. Start by closing your eyes and taking 3 deep cleansing breaths. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Gently let your body relax with each breath. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Breathe in crystal clean air. And breathe out all negative emotions and stagnant energies that are no longer needed. Just breathe it all out. Imagine yourself at the Maldives, inside a gorgeous ocean cabin. The weather is perfect, and you have 180-degree ocean views in front of you. You see a beautiful bathtub out on the deck. You decide to open the tap and let refreshing water flow into the tub. You submerge into the water and gently place your head under the running water. The temperature of the water is warm and soothing. You notice that the water starts flowing through your mind and slowly starts to clear your mind of all thoughts coming in. Trust that you are doing this perfectly. As the water is cleansing your mind, you can see the water in the tub turning darker and darker from all the thoughts being washed away. Feel and sense how it cleanses your mind. Allow your mind to go completely quiet. Feel your mind becoming lighter and more relaxed. The water is slowly starting to become clear again as all these thoughts are being washed away. You find yourself being quiet and relaxed both inside and out. Notice the beautiful surroundings and positive energy seeping into your body. You stand up to go and sit on a chair on the deck. It is very quiet and peaceful, with the gentle warmth of the sun casting its comforting rays. In front of you, the blue sky changes to dusk with colors of orange, pink, and red, stretching over the horizon. Night settles in and the sky lights up with stars all around you. Do you see any formations in the stars? How does this make you feel? Thank yourself for taking the time to clear your mind and relax. And know that you can return to this peaceful state whenever you want. Gently start to come back into the room. Feel your toes and legs. Feel your hands and arms. Feel your face. And when you are ready, slowly open your eyes, fully awake and calm.